How to remove and replace the Peugeot Partner K9 door mirror glass and cover. I have here a broken mirror, so that's why I'm going to remove the mirror glass and cover. With the glass, you want to push it on all sides and see there is a little opening. So there's an opening over there, which is a bit hard to see in the video. I recommend using plastic tools, but you'll need to go in there and just gently pop the glass out of place. It's only held on by clips on the inside. Don't try to force this out. And then if it's heated glass, there'll be the two little plugs. For the next part, this is a bit more tricky, the mirror cover. There is clips on the inside. There's these four, and there's also one smaller one closer to where the mirror goes onto the door. Now you'll need to unclip all of these simultaneously and push them in, and then the mirror cover will start coming off. The trickiest one is there's another clip, that clip which you'll see towards the end of the video. It's a bit hard to access, so you'll need to play around with it a bit, and then the mirror cover will come off. So once you do these four and pull off partially this side of the mirror cover, so turn the mirror like this into closed position first, the assembly, and then on this part there's another clip, right where it's not coming off. So you'll need to either try unclipping by getting access to that one, or just gently pull it off. Whatever you do, don't just yank this part off, as you can break that clip. Even though the other four clips will hold it in place, you want to be gentle. That's the clip over there. That goes into there.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.